Listening test. Lesson. Sajjan the robber. Sajjan and his men welcomed Guru Nanak Dev and Mardana. Sajjan talked to them very politely. He said, I am Sajjan. The Hindus call me Sajjan Mal. The Muslims call me Sajjan Shah. But I am neither a Hindu nor a Muslim. I am just Sajjan. The Guru asked, Are you a true friend? Sajjan said, Yes, sir. I am a true friend. In my sarai, I give free food to everybody. I treat them nicely. I have built a mosque for the Muslims. I have also built a temple for the Hindus. I am a true friend to all. This is the end of the audio.